Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I come back with another one for this week. This one gonna be my Valentine look. So this look had been voted by you guys on my Instagram story. If you guys haven't followed me on Instagram, please do so because I post every day. Your skin is really important in your Valentine Day. So here I'm using the Lame moisturizer. Now I'm going to apply some Nivea Sebum for men. This one is totally cheap and you don't have to worry that it's broke the pocket. And here pick up the foundation from Connection. This one is really cheap, but you can get it from Boot. You don't have to be expensive to be pretty, you know. So I want my skin as moist as possible, so I spray some MAC Fix sprays on top of the foundation and then blend it out with the beauty blender, not beauty blender, it's Real Technique blender. Well, if you don't have a MAC fixing sprays, you don't have to. You can use like some kind of moisturizer spray or like a water. That's totally fine. It's just like give yourself more moist in your skin and then easier to blend. And here I'm using the 17 concealer. It's empty, almost empty, so I need to shake it really well to like really get the product out. This one is really one of my favorite drugstore concealer. It's really cheap, affordable, and it's really good. I also use a concealer as my primer for the eyes. If you don't have the eyes primer, you totally can use a concealer, but do not put the foundation on your eyelid, okay? And here today, I think this one is the only expensive one I use in this video. So this is the bronzer from Dior, and I use that for my eyes base, like powder base. And oh my gosh, I totally forgot about this palette. And then when I looked through all the stuff I have to move out of the house, I found this and I was like, oh my gosh, like how did I forgot about this Color Drought Revolution palette? They are amazing. So I picked up the really bright color, almost like yellow, but it's more green inside. The area that I focus on this color is in the middle of my eyes, in my eyelid, and then I pick up like the brighter color, like but much more green color inside in the palette because there are two different color in the palette, totally different. Okay, I finally can use like this really orangey, a little bit red color because I got allergy to my eyes for 1 year and it's totally ruining my makeup, and so today I can use this color and I'm so proud of myself. Well, so I pick up that color and create the crease around the colors that I already put on my eyes. In this step, you can see it look really easy, but it's totally not. You need to take your time blending, and blending, a lot of blending and building up the color again and blending again, so you can get the right color in your eyelid, in your crease. I'm also apply the color to my under eye area, and it's totally make the look different. You can see here, and I put the bright color in my corner and also the reddish oranges color in the outer third of my eyes. I am a glitter freak, so I use this glitter is from Makeup Geek, and I just like, oh my gosh, I also have the glitter. It's the same similar color to the eyeshadows that I have, so I use it for make the look even turn out more. And the color of it is called Supernova. And now moving on to my eyebrow, I use NYX Cosmetic brow marker, and this one in deep color. I can go into detail with this with this pen, and it's really good. And you can see like I mostly don't have my eyebrow because I saved them off. And in here, I'm using the brow pencil. This one for also from NYX, and it's really good. Like I like this color a lot. It's in dark color, but it's really matching with my eyebrow color right now, and it's also really soft, easy to use. So in here, I already applied my lashes on, and I use the powder from 17, and this powder keeps my makeup like 12 hours, and it's really good. I did talk about this powder before on my channel. And then I move on to bronze my face. I don't want to do too hard on the contouring and stuff, so I just only use bronzer and almost like a contour things to my face, and also put it on my nose also to make my nose notch. And now I'm using the highlighter, this one from Glitter Hand, one of the brands that's like I always use my glitter, and they came out with like several of different products now. So this one is the highlighter, and this one called Audry. I always go extra with my highlighter, so I put that under my eyebrow and between my eyeshadow, also in my eye corner, upper of my lips, and also in my forehead. So in here, I'm gonna put some lipsticks on. This one is from Charlotte Tilbury's. Well, I first think this color not gonna matching with my look, but then when I applied on my lips, I was like, oh my gosh, this is so pretty, girls. So this is it for the tutorial for today. If you guys like the video, please click like. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, and I will see you next week. Bye!